So this is how to record an order. So you're going to click on create order. So over here, you select the date of the order. Over here, select the order channel. Okay, so how did the order come about? Was it a WhatsApp order? Was it an Instagram order? Was it Facebook? Did they walk into my store? Did they visit my website? So you can select this for you to track where your order sales come from. Then over here, you choose the order status. So what is the status of the order? Has it been delivered? Is it pending? Is it processing? Has it been shipped? So you select that over here. So over here, in case you don't have the customer information, you can leave this blank. But if you know the customer who bought from you, you can just click on add customer. So over here, you can add a customer, you can select a customer, or if you don't have a customer already in your store, you can just click on create customer in order to create a new customer. So now let's just create one. Let's just name it Nana Kojo. If you don't have the phone number, you can leave it. But if you have it, you can just add the phone number. So I'm just going to type a phone number over here. And then you just add the contact. So now we add the products that's Nana Kojo bought. So click on add products. So over here, we select the product that's Nana Kojo bought. So if the products that Nana Kojo bought, we don't have it in our store, we can just click on create new item in order to create one. But for this example, let's just use an existing product. So let's just select these sneakers. So now, what was the unit price and how many did he buy? Let's say maybe he bought 2 for 700 cedis. So I'm just going to enter that. Click on add product. Yeah, so you can see that the item has been recorded. And then now we choose the payment status. So as the item being paid for, we select that. Has he not paid for it? We select unpaid. If he has paid part, we can select deposits and then we record how much he has paid. Okay, so I'm just going to choose paid for this example. So now we record the payment method. Okay, did he pay by cash? Did he pay by mobile money, bank transfer, or something else? We can also record that over here. So let's just choose mobile money. But now if there's a date that we're expecting this item to be shipped, we can just click this over here so that they know when delivery might be expected. Okay. So that is for internal notes. So if you want to keep track of private notes relating to the order for you and for your staff, you can just add that note over here. Okay. And then over here, you can see the overview. So if there's any discount, you can click on discount in order to add a discount. So if you have an existing coupon that you want to apply to this order, we can select an existing coupon that we've created already. But in case it's a manual discount that we gave, we'll just click on manual. Then we enter the price. So assuming maybe I gave him maybe 30 cedis as a discount. Let's just add a discount. And you can see that it has been recorded over here. So if you have taxes, you can also add that over here. So now these taxes are showing because I've created taxes in my store. So I can just select these existing taxes, or you can just create a new tax in order to apply to this order. But I'm going to leave it empty for now. So after that, we're going to click on record sale. So as you can see, this is the full order details neatly done. So now this is how you record sales or record orders for your business.